Hello students, today we will discuss page number 40 and 41 of the lesson for tick tick tick, that means time. Here in this page number 40, we have given some activities and find the time to do these activities. Students, all these activities you need to do at home practically and write the time, how much time you have taken for this. But I will write the approximate time required for these activities. See, the first one is asking about boiling 1 liter milk. Students, if we keep the flame in low, it will take more time. If you keep the flame on high, it will boil fast. But we have to take the average time. That means we are keeping the flame on medium. So to boil 1 liter milk, I think it will take 10 minutes. The next one is filling a bucket of water. This it will fill the water fast. I think it will take 2, 3 or 4 minutes, maximum 4 minutes. If the bucket is a very big one, it will take 4 minutes, otherwise it will take 2 or 3 minutes only. The next activity is sweeping your room. Students, if you want to dust the furniture in your room, you will take more time. Otherwise, if you want to sweep only the room, it will take only 10 minutes or 5 minutes. If the room is big one, it will take 10 minutes, otherwise it will take only 5 minutes. So you write the answer while you are watching the video. When you are start to watch the video, you open your textbook with you and all the answers you should write along with the video or after watching this video completely. That means you have to complete the textbook day by day, up to date. Understand? Now next topic is activity time. In this activity time, some activities they given and asking us how many times can you do, how many times can you do these activities. That means we have to write the number of times in 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many times these activities you can do. Students, these depend on the stamina of a person. You are small children, you can how many times you can do this at home practically and write the answers. But I will write the answers, approximate answers. First one is snap your fingers. When we are listening the music, we are making the or we are snapping our finger. See, this is the sound while snapping your finger. This is snapping. So we can do this more than 100 times. Students, I experienced this. I have done 106 times in a minute. So you do practically at home and write your own answer. Otherwise you can write 90 to 100 times within 1 minute. That means 60 seconds. Within 1 minute we can do 90 to 100 times. So you can snap your fingers. What is the second activity? Skip a rope. Girls are very like of this activity, skip a rope. Students, you do this at home also. This also depend on the fitness of a child. So when I experienced, I found that some are doing 40 times and some are doing 50, 60 or some can do, an expert or a expert student can do maximum 90 times also. So you do this at home and write your own answer. I have given the approximate answer 40 to 90 times. Now the next one is jump up and down. Very easy. This we can do very easily. Within 1 minute you can do about approximately 90 times. You can jump up and down 90 times. This also depend on your stamina, students. Next, another question is asking here. You write more such one fun activity in this column and write how many times you can do. So this is a very funny activity, blinking our eyes. So I written that activity, blink your eyes. So I have done in practically I done it more than 100 times. That means within 1 minute we can do more than 100 times. So students, this answers also you should complete in your textbook. Now see what is the question given in the next. Here is another challenge for you. How long can you do? The first one is speak non-stop. That means without taking a breath. How much time you can speak non-stop? Students, we can. I experienced it. I only speak 2 to 3 minutes only. 2 to 3 minutes maximum. I can speak breathless in 2 minutes only. That also you do at home and write the answer. Another one is stand on one leg. So that also we can stand 3 to 5 minutes. Some can stand 3 minutes continuously on one leg, and sometimes you can stand 5 minutes. So you write your answer. The third one is sing without a break. This is also a breathless activity. Don't take a breath. So how much time you can sing without taking a break? That I done. How many times I have done? 10 to 13 seconds only. Even 1 minute or even 15 seconds also I can speak I only done it in 12 minutes, 12 seconds only. Sorry, not minute, 12 seconds only. So students, you do this at home and write your answer. Now see what is next one. How long do you take to run 50-meter race? So in the long and short lesson, that means our second lesson, we have explained that 50-meter race, 100-meter race, 1000-meter race, 500-meter race. Here asking 50-meter race, within how many minutes you can complete. So I experienced that within 5 minutes children can complete 50-meter race. Now collect 50 pebbles from the ground. Oh, it will take 3 minutes only. 3 or 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. So I have written the maximum time 5 minutes only required. So 3 minutes you write. 3 minutes only required to collect 50 pebbles from the ground. The another one is count 1 to 100. Students, it is very easy. I took only 60 seconds. If you speak so fast, you will take only 60 seconds to count 1 to 100. I took 60 seconds only. So you try it home and write your answer. But all the answers in this page should be completed. Now we will move to the next page, page number 41. In this page we have given some questions. Solve these questions. First one is the minute hand started from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? Students, when we started this lesson, this same topic I have explained, but once more I will explain using our clock. That means the minute hand starting from one number and again it reaches to the same number. How much time it will take to reach the same number? See, I will show it on our clock. See, we know that the minute hand is the longest one and the hour hand is the shortest one. Now our minute hand is on 2. It will start to move from there, and after completing one rotation it will reach again on the number 2. That means while one complete rotation, how many divisions it is passing? There are 60 divisions. That means already in the first class I told that the minute hand takes complete rotation in the clock 60 minutes. That means when it started from 2 and again reached at 2, it took 60 minutes or 1 hour. So students, you have to write the answer that page 60 minutes or 1 hour. The answer is the minute hand took 60 minutes or 1 hour to complete one rotation or to start from 2 and reach again at 2. That is our answer, 60 minutes or 1 hour. Now the next question is, what happens to the hour and does it also move? How long it takes to move from one number to the next one? Students, we know that 60 minutes 1 hour, 60 minutes is 1 hour. So the hour hand is also starting to move from one number to the next number. That means when the minute hand moves complete rotation, or it takes complete one rotation, the minute hand will move from the one number to the next number. So we have to write the answer like, the answer is yes, it does move. It takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next. That means the minute, hour and will takes 1 hour to move from one number to the another one. Now see our question C. Look around you and list the activities that take about 1 hour to complete. Students, which activities we will take more, about 1 hour to complete that work? The usual works we are doing at home are washing our clothes. Another one is mopping the floor. Another one cooking. It will also take more time. Then another one is if you want to stitch a blouse, it will also take more than 1 hour. And painting, your hobby, it will also take more than 1 hour. So which activities you can write? Mopping, washing clothes, cooking, stitching a blouse and painting. All these activities will take more than 1 hour. Now, how long does it take to cook dinner at home? More than an hour or less than an hour? Yes, sure, it will take more than 1 hour. Sometimes it will take 1.5 hour or 2 hours. How many items you will prepare in a day? It will depend on that. If you prepare more dishes, it will take more time. So surely you can write the answer. To prepare dinner, we will take 1 hour or more than 1 hour, or 1 or 1.5 hour. 1 or 1.5 hour. Surely it will take 1.5 hour. More than an hour or 1 hour. Next one is, ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother or does. Students, your father will cook as your mother. Can he cook as fast as your mother? No, I think he cannot do. He cannot do as fast as mother. So you either you can write, if your father is cooking fast as your mother, you can write yes. If he does not do, you write no. That depends upon your father's capacity. So which games take less than an hour to finish? So which games can you take to complete 1 hour? So I think Ludo will take less than 1 hour. So you write the answer Ludo. The another question is, how long does a football match take? Students, it is a fixed time. It will take 1 hour and a half an hour, 1.5 hour or 90 minutes. A football match is kept for 1.5 hour or 90 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes and half hour is 30 minutes. So total 90 minutes. So you write the answer 1.5 hour or 90 minutes. It is fixed. Today we are completing our topic 41 page. Tomorrow I will come with our next topic.